we're all struggling. This is new, right? Like we're in this whole new transition phase that none of us anticipated, and it's scary and overwhelming, and we feel completely out of control, or at least I do, and I'm pretty sure you do too, from what I've been hearing. And one of the things that I have is a business that's online, and that's pretty cool. And so I'm really excited to be able to share that. And I want to give you guys all something that I wish that I had when I needed it, which is when I had my second baby. And something that I'm really relying on right now, which is the tips and tools that I use myself to kind of get me through times like this, when everything's up in the air, and how do we manage our own prioritization of ourselves and our health and our happiness. So I've opened up all my resources for you guys on my website. I'm making a whole new YouTube channel, so subscribe, Savage Wellness YouTube. And I really just want to help you, because right now it feels really scary to all of us, and we don't know what life is going to look like. And so if I can offer my guidance, the same guidance that I offer my clients, that help them transform their lifestyles from sort of this out of control, what am I doing? I have no idea how to prioritize myself amidst the chaos of motherhood. And I do that with my clients every day. And if I can take that and give it to you, I'm stoked. So what I've decided to do is create a workshop based off of that initial one-on-one call I have with my clients, which is we take an hour, sometimes 90 minutes, and we hammer it all out. We go through everything. We troubleshoot your barriers to healthy living. We talk about all of the habits that we want you to develop, how to develop them, how to shift your mindset, where to start, where we want to get to. We set goals, immediate goals, middle goals, long-term goals. We do it all, and we learn how to create this safe space for ourselves within to coach ourselves through some healthy living and really get to a point where we are going after our goals and feel confident and empowered. And so I want to share that with all of you. Please sign up. I've got the link in my bio. Spread the word. I really want to help as many moms as possible. This is a really tough transition. I have the tools. I have the coaching. It's here for you. And I'm so excited that I have an opportunity to be able to share something that can really help. All right. So, yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you on Sunday. It's Sunday at 2:00. I will likely offer it again, but who knows? I mean, we'll see how this registration goes. First 20 people are going to get free registration for my next workshop, which is all about how to create a safe and effective home workout routine. So there's that. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye.